Hey everyone, how's it going? A few days ago, I think I received my first delegation rewards from FLR Network, and so I just wanted to show you how you can check your delegation rewards as well as withdraw them to your account. And then we'll probably just do a quick calculation of how much you can expect, how much rewards you can expect. Okay, we'll just open up our browser and then we'll just open up our favorite Flare network portal. So if you go to portal.flare.network and if you connect your wallet, you will see down below claim your delegation rewards. And they actually gave me 12.1 FLR. Okay, if I click this button right here, I can actually see which epochs gave me rewards. Um, I have rewards for just one epoch so far. 50 epoch number 51. So I have the block. I mean the delegation reward is 12.1 FLR, and I can claim it to my account. So I can I can have it sent to my delegation account because I have a delegation account enabled. So yeah, if you have like tax strategies and such, uh, go ahead and do that. But it's up to you. Um, I'm just gonna withdraw it to my main account. So click claim, and I'm going to uh, uncheck the claim to my delegation account, and then claim all rewards. That should show me my MetaMask confirmation, and yeah, everything checks out. And then let me do aggressive so that this confirms a little bit faster. Now we'll just wait for it to confirm. And there we go. So I have claimed my FLR. Um, I still only have 82. Let's check MetaMask how many FLR I have now. It should update. Let's change my account. There we go. Oh, it's actually changed. Also, I have early ETH. Let me change this real quick. I think I made a mistake in doing this, and hopefully, um, let's go to settings, networks, and then yeah, there we go. Yeah, I should have FLR as the currency symbol. I'm not sure why MetaMask is showing me girly ETH. Maybe if we change it, Songbird, and then I go to player. There we go. So it used to be 82 FLR. Now I have 94. So that worked out. Connect wallet, MetaMask. I guess that disconnected it. So okay. I have 94 now. So I have successfully withdrew my delegation rewards. So from here, what I want to do is that I want to have some sort of like a compounding interest sort of situation with my delegation rewards. So I'll go ahead and wrap it again. And actually, I will reduce my FLR balance maybe just to like uh maybe 20 FLR or even 10 FLR. Let's do 20 FLR. So that should be enough for gas fees. You guys, so one thing is that you should have enough FLR balance to do operations like everything you do here, wrap, send, delegate, claim, all of that needs gas fees. So never run it to zero. I would suggest like putting it to somewhere between 10 and 20. That should be enough. That should be definitely that should be enough for you to do all the sorts of stuff that you need to do. So now I'm gonna wrap. I have 94, so I'll just do like 74. So that the reason why I am doing this is that I can maximize uh, my delegation rewards. Okay, and we'll wait for the network to confirm. Should take about 30 seconds or so. Ah, good. And there we go. Um, the other thing I want to check whenever I'm claiming my FLR is that um, I want to check if the FTSO provider I delegated to is actually still one of the top FTSOs in terms of reward rate. So the way I check it is that I go to I think it's flaremetrics.io. Yes, it is flaremetrics. So go to flaremetrics.io, and then right on the landing page, it will show you the FTSO providers. So all you have to do is sort by reward rate. Click this twice so that you're sorting from highest to lowest. And we can actually see that it has changed. Like Atlas TSO is not bad. It's still one of the top 10 FTSO providers in terms of reward rate. But there are some like this Nordso. I mean, it's not really that much difference. But again, if you just want to maximize your reward rate, you would want to change to the top ones. But yeah, there you also would want to check like if they're gonna change their fees. Like right now, it's 25%. Yeah, so let's go ahead and change it to this North So one. So the way you would do that is you would go back to the portal and you would click the delegate button again and choose the FTSO you want. So that was Nordso. Oh, there it is. So if Nordso is there, yeah, and I just click submit, and then you'll have to sign it with your wallet again. Let's do aggressive. Confirm. Yeah, this is completely optional, but it's just something to help you maximize your delegation rewards. So let's say you check once every week for your delegation, you withdraw it, and then you wrap it, and then change your FTSO provider in case like your previous one has slipped up or like they're not no longer the top FTSO in terms of reward rate. So those are just the three things that you regularly want to check. Again, those are optional since if you can also use your delegation account. Again, you want to use your delegation account if you don't want to check it regularly like I do. Let's say if you just want to set it and forget it, and then it will just receive. The difference being that if you have a delegation account, the rewards do not expire, so you can still claim them after a really long time, which is different from your main account. On your main account, the rewards will definitely expire. Uh, yeah, so those are just the main things that I want to show you. And the other thing that we want to discuss here is that maybe we want to project how much like what kind of interest rate we're going. So we're gonna get. So we can get a quick calculation. Um, so um, let's get something. Okay, so let's just open some sort of notepad here. So I have delegated like 5,300 FLR. So I have 300 wrap FLR, and from there I received like 12 something. Let's just put it to 12 um FLR. So essentially, there are two epochs every week. So for if you have two epochs every week, let's just say we get 12 FLR for every epoch from 5300 FLR. So that would be 12 FLR times times 2, because that's 2 every week, times 52 weeks in a year. So in 1 year's time, this is without compounding, by the way. So if we do some quick calculations, so that would be 12 times 2 times 52. So 53 5,300 FLR would yield us something like 1,248 FLR in 1 year. So how do we express that in terms of interest rate? Let me check. Okay, so the way we would check how many percentage is that we can go to Google 1248 and we just type 1248 is what percent of 5300, and then we get somewhere around 23.5%. So it's not bad at all. So wrapping your flare and delegating them would yield you 1,240, and that is without compounding. That is if you just leave it for a year and just claim your FLR tokens. And that is on top of the airdrop. So just to recap, um, if you delegate your if you have airdrop, if you delegate your FLR, you were eligible for airdrops, then the remaining 85% of the airdrops will get sent to you only if you wrap your flare. So yeah, not too bad at all. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them the best I can. All right. Thank you guys. Peace out. Have a good day.